because I've already made Storm on there.
Yeah, and TD Tornado Weather, it's a weather channel, so.
I mean, my channel is just kind of random videos. All over the place. I'll make a video on whatever I can. Well, like what I do. I wanna.
Eventually, Minecraft Part 2 is gonna happen. Interesting.
Sorry, people behind us are going insane.
Yeah, I don't know why they're going insane. This storm is only going off for like a couple minutes now. It's been like 10 minutes. Like a 10-minute video out of it. Lightning. We just heard thunder, but it's very quiet. I mean, we probably can't even hear any of the thunder because I don't even know what percentage is my phone. Dang, it's only at 40.
Exactly.
I use it all morning.
Same.
I use it all morning to record some weather videos and.
Well, I use mine all morning to do some stuff. They'll say we should have a massive ping pong tournament.
Until the storm is over.
Oh, I thought we were supposed to be down there right now.
I mean, we're technically in the basement. We are, but we aren't.
Seems like the wind's got a bit stronger.
I mean, they were much stronger.
You need to check how fast they are, man.
I mean, the worst of it's already passed. So the wind should be dying down now. We got some 60 miles per hour gusts, but
So that was
70.
All the storm is going to be.
It's going to be a bunch of rain now. Heavy rain.
Well, I could have played a football game there. Dang it.
No, you wouldn't. I mean, you're right. I mean, you're technically able to play in any weather, but.
I mean, we actually maybe would have been able to finish it. It was just the clouds would have hit probably right at the end of the game.
No. So that's been going on.
Yeah. Cross country practice will get canceled. I'll be surprised because the grass is gonna be kind of wet.
Stream is not gonna. I don't want me to stream.
We have people complaining behind us again.
Yeah. For what? I don't know.
We should be driving in this. Like, this isn't bad.
Yeah. Enchants. So yeah, we're expecting more rain after this. We need to go check the radar real quick.